Well, unfortunately, I have not done any scenes with Shah Rukh Khan with him. Unfortunately, that's very sad. I feel very sad about that. So hopefully, someone soon will give me a film where I will share screen space with him. But yes, it is extremely exciting, extremely thrilling to be part of a film with SRK. I mean, I was just telling somebody right now, just 1 minute ago, that even when the person is not on set, and you can feel that aura and the magic of that superstar all over the set, so it was always there. It was almost an omnipresent sort of thing. When I actually finally did meet him, he was very down to earth. He was very respectful. He knows my mother. They were in college together. They were in a theatre group together. तो बहुत ही डाउन टू अर्थ, बहुत ही वार्म, बहुत ही काइंड थे वो. So it was a real thrill, sort of a real fan moment when I actually met him, and I really hope that we can work together sometime in the future. Obviously, working with Alia also was a fantastic experience. I think Alia is one of the finest actors of this generation, and I say actors because, of course, she's a star, but she's also a very good actor. I think I was very impressed by her. कि इतनी छोटी उम्र में the kind of choices that she's made in her films and the kind of commitment she brings to her work and how fearless she is as an actor really impressed me.
मैम, जब आपको ये फर्स्ट टाइम आपको स्क्रिप्ट सुनाया गया
जी.
तब आपका रिएक्शन क्या था कि शाहरुख की फिल्म के लिए आप काम कर रहे हैं, and what is your first reaction?
My first reaction was that what a great, fun, lovely script. My second reaction was I want to work with this woman Gauri Shinde, who made a beautiful film called English Winglish. My third reaction was, but wow, Shah Rukh's in the film. And my fourth reaction was obviously, oh no, I'm in no scenes with him. So yeah.
Right now your film regarding Alia did in social media,
yes,
social media, the one promo is
yes,
regarding she is doing DOP work.
Yes.
Can you tell us about regarding?
So Alia plays a cameraman, like your wonderful cameraman here in the film. We all work together in the film industry. So we are a bunch of young working people living in Bombay. In fact, we are from this world of the media. We work in films. So I am a costume stylist. An actor called Gautamik plays a gaffer in the film. Alia plays a DOP in the film. So it is that world. It's set in that world where we are all working, in the film business. So she also took that job on and that role on very seriously. I also took it on very seriously. I think we had a blast because we were lucky because we had actual people like Lakshman sir, who was our actual DOP, and I had Thea, who was our stylist on the film, as references, constantly around us. We had to pick up little nuances, pick up little things that they may use in their actual lives and how they work and everything that we had. We were lucky that way to have that reference. So Alia plays a DOP in the film. Yes.
और मैडम, आपकी फिटनेस के बारे में कुछ बताइए, जबकि जो
अरे वाह, ये कहाँ से आ गया क्वेश्चन?
फिटनेस के बारे में बताइए कि आप बहुत फिटनेस है और
मैं बहुत फिटनेस हूँ. ये एक मिसकंसेप्शन है क्योंकि एक्चुअली मैं योगा करती हूँ, मैं जिम जाने की कोशिश करती हूँ. मैं ज़्यादा जा नहीं पाती हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही आलसी हूँ. आई एम वेरी लेजी व्हेन इट कम्स टू गोइंग टू द जिम, बट आई डू मेक एन एफर्ट. आई ट्राई टू डू वेट ट्रेनिंग एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस अ वीक एंड आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ योगा. आई स्वेयर बाय योगा. आई लव इट. आई फाइंड इट अ माइंड बॉडी सोल थिंग. मैं बचपन से ही मैं काफ़ी एक्टिव रही हूँ. मेरी माँ जो हैं, आई थिंक पीपल स्टिल आस्क उनका क्या रूटीन है. वो कुछ नहीं करती हैं. वो जिम कभी गई नहीं है ज़िंदगी में. वो जो चाहती हैं खाती हैं, लेकिन सब कुछ मॉडरेशन में. तो आई थिंक आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम हर. आई बीन इंस्पायर्ड बाय हर कि मैं भी जो मैं चाहती हूँ खाती हूँ, लेकिन मॉडरेशन में. आई ट्राई टू ईट एवरी थिंग बट इन बैलेंस. आई डोंट डिप्राइव माई सेल्फ ऑफ एनी थिंग. आई लिव अ वेरी एक्टिव लाइफ स्टाइल. So I think that helps, and I have been blessed with very good genes and very good metabolism, so I'm lucky.
मैम, डियर जिंदगी में आपका क्या किरदार है, थोड़ा उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
In Dear Zindagi, I play a character called Fatima. I am a costume stylist. I am one of Alia's friends. I am a sort of voice of reason in her life. मैं उसकी confidant हूँ. मैं उसको थोड़ा मतलब सीधा और straight और grounded रखने की कोशिश करती हूँ. While I also tease her, like friends do in life. we take each other's case, we kind of trip on each other and we tease each other, but we also are there as rock solid supports for each other. तो आई थिंक आलिया का जो किरदार है, जो उसका नाम है कायरा, उसकी ज़िंदगी में काफ़ी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं. उसकी ज़िंदगी में काफ़ी कुछ मतलब जिस तरीके से वो चाहती है वो ऐसा नहीं जा रहा है. तो whether it's relationships, whether it's family, whether it's work, so I think in that time, when you go through those difficult times in your life, you need your friends. तो मेरा कैरेक्टर जो है उसका नाम है फातिमा. शी इज़ अ मुस्लिम गर्ल, शी इज़ अ वर्किंग गर्ल लिविंग इन बॉम्बे, इंडिपेंडेंट वूमन. शी इज़ मैरिड टू अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. तो आई थिंक वो भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था कि जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है जो मॉडर्न इंडियन लड़की की, जो आजकल एक ऐसे मुंबई जैसे शहर में जो रहती हैं, जो काम करने वाली औरत हैं, जो मतलब सक्सेसफुली काम भी करती हैं और फैमिली को भी बैलेंस करती हैं. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग टू प्ले दैट. मेरा एक बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लुक है इस फिल्म में. मतलब एक सॉर्ट ऑफ सोफिस्टिकेटेड एथनिक काइंड ऑफ फ्यूजन काइंड ऑफ लुक. नोज रिंग पहनती हूँ और बहुत ही इंडियन, लॉट ऑफ सिल्वर ज्वेलरी, वेरी एथनिक काइंड ऑफ लुक. आई हैव अ फ्रिंज इन द फिल्म विच नो वन हैज सीन मी इन बिफोर. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट, very fresh kind of look also.
How the experience with working with Alia regarding? Can you tell us something about?
Of course, I can tell you that.
She's always people tell she's unmature. People tell.
I don't think, if people say that Alia is immature, I don't necessarily agree. I think that actually I was very impressed with Alia. I was very impressed by her focus and her commitment to her work. She was always very prepared. She would always come to set very prepared. She's very young. You must remember that she's only 23. I think she has a whole career ahead of her. She's already such a big star and she has many, many years to go. So I think that people have to cut her some slack because, I think firstly, she's very committed. She's not at all immature. That's number one. Number two, she's always prepared. She's very passionate about her work. I like that about her. She comes from a really great background. She has wonderful parents. She's very smart. She's got really good genes. Number three, she is very smart in the choices that she's made in her work. आई थिंक आई एडमायर दैट, क्योंकि मैं भी थिएटर से आती हूँ. मैं थिएटर में बहुत ही डाइवर्स वर्क करती हूँ, बहुत ही रेंज दिखाती हूँ एज एन एक्टर. I think as an actor today, as a new age Indian actor, from our generation, you have to show that. You cannot just get typecast and say, okay, chalo, I want to be a heroine or I want to be a hero and I want to be a star. And that is a byproduct. The work is what is important. The work is what is important. I think Alia is one of those few actors who really focuses on that, who says, look, I'm going to show a range of work. So from Student of the Year, where people thought maybe she can only do this schoolgirl, whatever sort of image of hers, she did Highway, she did Two State, she did Urta Punjab. I think she's done a wide range of very different kind of work. And I think that's what you have to build as a career, as an actor. मुझे भी वही, आई ओनली हैव, बिकॉज इन थिएटर आई डू सो मच डाइवर्स वर्क. मैं थिएटर में इतना डाइवर्स काम करती हूँ, मैं टाइपकास्ट हो ही नहीं सकती हूँ. तो मेरा यही विश है, मेरा यही डिज़ायर है, मेरा यही गोल है कि मैं फिल्मों में भी टाइपकास्ट नहीं हूँ. दैट पीपल डोंट थिंक दैट आई कैन ओनली प्ले अ वेरी पॉश अपर क्लास कैरेक्टर, दैट आई कैन प्ले अदर काइंड्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स. आई कैन डेफिनेटली पोर्ट्रे ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि डायरेक्टर्स को वो पता चले कि मैं बहुत ही रेंज, आई हैव अ रेंज एज एन एक्टर. And that you don't get stuck doing the same thing, because it's boring. You have to keep challenging and pushing yourself as an actor. And I think Alia is one of the few people at such a young age who I see is doing that.
Madam, you are a very successful actor. You do theatre also, films also.
Thank you so
TV
much.
Also. How you make comfortable your life?
It's time management. It's the secret of time management. I think I have great friends. I have a very supportive family. I have, I had a wonderful dog who I lost recently, so I'm very sad about that. But I have a lot of things in my life that give me a lot of joy, a lot of love, that give me a lot of strength and support. So I think that it's really the art of time management and really also just being positive. See, I believe, my birthday was just 10 days ago and I was working on my birthday, and I think it's a wonderful way, for instance, as an example to tell you, to illustrate my point, that it's a wonderful way to start your new year when you are working. So it is, you have to keep yourself busy. You have to have purpose in life. As long as you enjoy what you do, nothing can stop you. I think I'm blessed, and we are all blessed to do what we enjoy doing, what we love doing. And I think that you have to go out there and do it with a bang.
Can you tell us about regarding your mom? When she saw you?
Everyone's favorite question.
Theatre. She's a very senior actor in Bollywood and very respected actor. So can you tell us about what good compliment you get from your mom?
Firstly, thank you so much. That's very kind of you. She is a rock star and an extremely talented woman and an actor and a mother and an amazing mother. You know, my mum is a very tough director and I've done a lot of theatre with her also. So she will laugh when she hears this. But वो ज़्यादा बोलती नहीं है. So if she says, you know, very well done, it's a lot. So I mean, we are always, you know, as children and as actors when you're working with a director, because she's both my mother and my director many times, so we are always looking for our parents' approval and our parents' praise and our parents, you know, thing. So I know when I've got it, you know, when I mean, she'll come to me maybe after a show or something, she'll give me a hug and she'll say, just, you know, she'll say, really good show. And I know I've done a great job. So it's, you know, she's a woman of a few words. And again, her actors and people will laugh at this because, you know, as a director, she's not anything of few words, but as a mother, she doesn't have to say much. It's just an unspoken understanding. So I know she's very proud of me. And, you know, my sister and I, मेरी बहन और मैं हमेशा उनको मतलब हमारे पेरेंट्स को बहुत डांटते थे कि you know, you never say anything to us, you only tell the whole world, you know, you never tell us how proud you are of us, you never tell us anything, you never give us any compliments, you only tell the whole world, you only tell your friends. So she used to say, they used to get very upset, but that's the way parents are, you know, they like to talk about their children, they like to talk about, you know, their achievements to the rest of the world because they want those children to grow and keep getting better and better.
मैडम डियर जिंदगी की प्रमोशन बहुत कम होती जा रही है
जी
क्या कारण है क्योंकि बहुत बातें हो रही है प्रेस
ऐसा कुछ कारण नहीं है. आई थिंक करण जौहर जी का एक बहुत बड़ा रिलीज़ था ए दिल है मुश्किल, तो उसकी वजह से आई थिंक थोड़ा मतलब डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजी अडॉप्ट किया है उन्होंने दिस टाइम. बट देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ प्रमोशन हैपनिंग ऑनलाइन. The songs are out. You know, Alia and Shahrukh are both promoting the film very strongly. I'm promoting it right now, as you can see. So social media पे, digital media पे, काफ़ी platforms पे the film is out there. Gauri is also promoting it. Karan is also promoting it. So I don't think there's any. They must have a strategy. I think this is all part of the plan. एक और बात है कि Karan Johar ji, Gauri Shinde, Shahrukh, Alia, they all have such big fan followings. Ki, you know, these people are already love them and are already waiting to see the film. So I think that maybe it is a very deliberate strategy.
Any message you want to give to your fans regarding this film?
Please go and watch the film on November 25th, and no matter what, no matter how low you are, no matter how much heartbreak you have, no matter who that bleep guy is who left you, just smile, be positive, and always say, I love you, Zindagi.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you so much.